Hi everyone. Today I want to quickly show you how you can install the Bkper CLI and how you can use it to use an agent to interact with your Bookkeeper account, with your books, and with your bookkeeping. So if you go to Bookkeeper Docs and you search for CLI install, you get to this CLI page, and you can simply copy this install comment for your interface. You need Node, so check if you have a Node installed. I have, so if you don't have that, install it quickly. Now I'll install the Bookkeeper package. You can ignore these deprecated warnings. And now Bookkeeper is installed. So if I run Bookkeeper, it will open, but I'm not authenticated yet. So let's first authenticate with my Bookkeeper account. In. You take this URL, and here I'll need this code. Okay, there you go. My account. Authorize. That's it. Wait a moment here. Now I'm logged into my Bookkeeper account. And now we can start Bookkeeper again, the CLI. And this in reality is an agent. To authenticate with my LLM, we simply do login. Use a subscription. In this case, I use OpenAI. This works more or less the same way. I have a two-factor authentication. So that's highly recommended. And now I need the code here as well. Paste this here. Okay. So now I'm also authenticated with my LLM provider. And now I can ask to the agent things about my account. Like, for example, can you list 5 of my books, please? And now the agent understands this question and searches how it can solve this question. It goes to our docs index, the right data management modules, and there are some books that I have, okay, in my Bookkeeper account. So you see that in a very simple and quick way, you can already start working with your agent on Bookkeeper CLI. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you like videos like this and want to be updated, subscribe and leave a thumbs up in the channel. Okay, thank you.